And surprisingly enough, even though I've made a bunch of Instacart tutorials, this one tutorial has slipped past me until today. And even though I'm no longer a shopper with Instacart, at least I can bust out this last tutorial to help you contact care support with Instacart. So regardless if you are in a batch or not in a batch, the same thing still applies, but you're gonna see one of two things. Either you're gonna start off with this question mark on the top right hand corner of your screen, which you're gonna click on, and then you're gonna have the headset, or you're just gonna start off with the headset on the top right hand corner of the screen. Either way, you know where we're going. Let's click on that headset. So from there, you're gonna see the virtual care assistant with some drop down options. What you're gonna do is bypass that by typing in the chat, type the question, just type in agent. From there, it's going to show that you've typed agent, and it's going to give you a list of drop downs. We want the support team. If you are going with whatever's listed in this, like I'm not getting batches, and you can click there, but otherwise we're going to click on something else. From something else, what it's going to do is it's going to give you a drop down for you to fill in a box. Put in the definition of what you're looking for from the Instacart care representative, and then you click on connect with a specialist. From there, you will then connect with a specialist live through the chat that you can engage with and get what you need requested. And I hope this helped you with contacting your Instacart support team.